US, UK, and Germany indices traded with massive swings here. With the news coming in, we have seen stronger bearish momentum prevailing across US indices, and in fact, the Germany40, which was trading extremely bullish throughout the day, hitting the record levels, and the FTSE 100, which was also trading bullish, has erased most of the gains for the day and now trying to. What to expect from these five major indices today? The S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany40, and FTSE 100. Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit today. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and the next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq. Then when you look at the hourly charts or S&P here after the drop, it is consolidating. It is waiting for the moving averages to come down. Right now, I can see the bears are taking over, and on the upside now, it is definitely going to be very difficult for S&P to break beyond 6,000 levels. That is the level which it should break in order to turn bullish here. Only and only if you see S&P trading above 6,000, you can see now the bulls are taking over. What has happened? It has hit lower lows, it is consolidating, and I can see a greater resistance offered here on the upside all the way towards 5872 5880 zone. Yes, if it stays above 587280, you can look forward to 5892 and 5904 levels, beyond which the bulls should take over. Moving average is crossing over here on the downside, trading bearish. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD also is retraced sharp, and now it is trying to converge crossover. A crossover here can only mean a reversal. Wait for this to happen. As long as it fails to crossover, it is still on the sell side. RSI at bottom. Coming to 2-hour charts, when you look at the 2-hour charts, price is consolidating, finding a very good support now at 58.50. Look at the last few drops. The price is never closed below 58.50, which is a very good sign for the bulls as of now. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. The MACD trading with divergence. The MACD is staying bearish. The RSI has dropped. It is almost sitting at the bottom. And on the 3-hour charts, when you look on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. See, finding the support, trying to bounce back, increasing body size, where the current candle closes, and I will wait for the next one. Once it trades beyond 5872 5880 zone, chances will be very high that we may see 5904 5920 levels, and beyond that, certainly the momentum is going to turn bullish. If you look at the last few moves here, drop, consolidation, then a rise, then the drop, consolidation, it could try to rise, it could try to stay in the zone here. Stochastic at the bottom, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence is staying bearish. The RSI is almost flat at bottom. On the 4-hour charts, and the observation is more or less same. Let it take a direction. I can see it is still struggling to break below 58.50 levels. 58.50, 58.35 should be the very good support zone, and then 5800 levels should appear. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD again crossing over for sell. The RSI is almost at bottom. On the daily, similar observation here on the daily charts. Remember what's happening. Moving averages after a long time is now crossing over for sell. That is a very good sign here for the bears. Those are waiting for the bears to take over. You can see lower highs, lower lows. It is trading in this channel here, and this is a swing zone where it is right now positioned. And this confirms that as long as 6020 on the upside is not taken, we should not treat S&P as bullish. This is pretty clear. Stochastic has retraced. The MACD trading with divergence. The MACD is staying bearish, looking downwards, and the RSI has dropped. So considering this, what I will recommend a buying entry at 58.66. Expect 58.70 to 74, 58.82, and then beyond this, we are looking forward to 58.92, 59.04, 59.20, and then a rally all the way towards 59.50 levels. On the downside, now a selling entry I will recommend is at 58.50 levels, below which you can expect 58.35, 40 at the first target, and if it trades below 58.35, 40, stay short for 5800 levels. Now 5800, 57.8 is very crucial for S&P to break, because below this we are looking forward to a greater down move all the way towards 5600, 5500. Though it appears difficult that it is going to deliver such a move, at least today. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Likewise with what we had seen on S&P, the Nasdaq 100 is also consolidating here, and we can see a swing is seen for the last one candle, or you can see for the last few candles, the prices are just consolidated in between 2400 2500 levels, and it has not seen or shown a decisive move on the upside. So let's wait for it to stay beyond 2540 levels, which will confirm the next move all the way towards 20,600, which is going to remain the next prime resistance. Look at the move here. The drop here, the retracement, the drop here, taking the zone, trying to bounce back. Let's wait for it to come upside. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge, not yet crossing over here. Wait for this crossover here in order to confirm reversal. The RSI is staying at bottom. On the 2 hour, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts. Remember, it has formed a very strong support now at 20,420, and with that as support, after delivering series of bearish candles trying to bounce back, I will wait for it to stay above 20,540 in order to confirm the next move all the way towards 20,600, 20,710, 720, 20,780, 800 as well. Possibility is there. Stock Isaac rising, the MACD right now trading with divergence and bearishness, the RSI hitting the bottom. On the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same trading in this channel, slight bearish channel. It is a swing here. The top here is all the way towards 20,809, 21,000 levels. Yes, the stock Isaac is at bottom here as well. The MACD crossing over for sell, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness. The RSI is trading at bottom. When you look at the 4 hour charts, I can also sense that after the crossover, the prices are trading definitely strongly bearish. You can also notice lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. Let's wait for it to deliver a breakout here. A move beyond 2540 should be a good indication for further upside. Yes, the stock ISTIC is at bottom, the MACD is also at the bottom, and the RSI is also at bottom. Coming to daily, look at daily chart, series of bearish candles here, series of massive moves here, delivering lower lows. One more thing to note, it is, I will say, it is still very much positioned in the channel, because once it stays below 20,400, 350 zone, we are looking forward to a greater down move all the way towards 20,000 levels. Be mindful of this. Though the indicators are retracing, specifically the stochastic and the RSI, you can see the MACD is trading with sharp divergence, sharp bearishness looking downwards. Now, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries, and if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So considering the charts here, I will recommend you to buy if you see it staying above 25, 35, 40 levels. Chances will be very high that we may see at 2585, 2600 as the first target zone, 2660 second, 2710, 723rd. And if these levels are taken, stay bullish at 20,800, 21,000 levels. Though I think it is going to be difficult for a complete reversal, that is a move beyond 21,000. But what we had seen in the last few days, that the swings, the massive swings are back here in the indices. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 2460, 467 levels. Expected to move towards 2440, 420 levels. The first target, if that is taken, then 2370, 350 levels will come. Any drop below 2370, 350 stays short for 20,200 and 20,000 levels directly. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. US30 consolidating here after the dip. See, yesterday it has breached 43,000 levels, move all the way close to 42,950, 42,900 levels, but I can see a good bounce back, and it is right now consolidating here. We have to wait for it to stay above 43,300 levels. Now 43,300 was a good support. Now it is going to become the, thus wait for it to trade beyond 43,300 in order to confirm further reversal. Moving average is crossing over here again. It's not a good sign which is supportive for further bullishness. Stochastic rising, the MACD right now trading with sharp bearishness. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour charts, look at the 2 hour charts here. Yes, it is supported here. It is now waiting for a breakout. I will wait for the next candle, and with the next candle, if you see the price trading beyond 43,300, stay bullish there. Expect 43,400 first, 43,600 second. Yes, the stochastic is right. The MACD though is still trading bearish. The RSI is almost at bottom here. On the 3 hour charts, when you look at the observation is more or less same. Look at these three candles, massive swing here, hitting the right 44,000 plus level to 43 minus. Yes, it has shown a very good swing, and now it has created this channel here, which suggests 42,800 on the downside and 44,200 on the upside. These 1,400 points are going to remain pretty critical. US, if you look at the MACD, it is also crossed over now, looking downwards. The RSI is running flat. On the 4 hour chart, the observation is more or less same. After hitting the low, this will become the reversal. This will become the first green candle. And now once it trades beyond 43,300, you can just stay bullish from there. Expect 43,400, 43,600 zone. Stochastic at bottom. The MACD crossing over here for the divergence, trading with a bearishness, staying downwards. The RSI is flat. Coming to the day, on the daily chart, similar observation. See, after a long time now, US30 crossing over for sell, and now it is looking downwards. I have shared several times here that look at the formation rise, retracement, support rise, and now it is waiting for the double bottom here. Double bottom means 42,000 levels very soon. For 42, 4100 is going to be the prime support here. And today now if you see US30 trading below 43,000, 42,800, just stay short for the near term. We are looking at 42,000 levels very soon. Stock IC looking downwards. The MACD trading bearish. The RSI is comfortable. Considering this now, I will recommend a buying entry only above 43,300, expected to move towards 43,400 levels directly and then 43,500. I will say 43,400, 43,500, 43,600. These three levels are pretty critical for US30 to break beyond. A move beyond 43,600 should take it all the way towards 44,000 levels possibly. Appears difficult, appears such a stronger rise is definitely going to remain difficult for US30 today. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 43,180 levels, expected to move towards 43,100. 43,000, 42,920 and 42,800. Below 42,800, no looking back, no bouncing back, no reverse, no return. And then you can expect it to move towards 42,500 and 42,000 levels directly. Take your trades, take your patience accordingly. Let's move to Germany40. Germany40 traded extremely bullish, hitting 23,300. Any record levels it has again created. And if you look at the move after trading with divergence from the 20 period, prices have come down to take the support from the 20 period. And right now, 20 period acting is a very good support. A move beyond 23,060 and 23,100 is now you should wait for. A move beyond 23,060, 23,100 should again put it back into the bullish path. You can expect it to move all the way towards 23,200, and beyond that sky is the limit here on the upside. Right now it is finding a very good support here from the 20 period moving average so far, and thus it is pretty important for it to trade below 22,930, 950 zone. Stock I think at bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD is almost crossed over. It is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish. And if you look at the MACD, this is delivering the second wave after the crossover, which has more bearishness ahead. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour charts, when you look at the 2 hour charts, finding the bottom here, trying to break out here on the upside, and thus here in this zone you have to be extremely careful. At least till on the downside, 22,500 should offer a very good support here. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD has retraced sharp. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for a crossover here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. On the 3 hour, the observation is similar. Look at the highs here, and since then it is just consolidating. Wait for a breakout below 22,940, 930, 950 zone, and if that is taken, stay short for 22,880, and below 22,880 is where you can look forward to the next move all the way towards 22,800, 22,700, and then 22,500 levels. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to convert. The RSI has come out of the overbought zone. On the 4 hour charts also, the observation is more or less same, still carrying the bullishness. Though I will now recommend you to only buy if you see it is staying above 23,000, 50, 23,060, or in fact 23,100 level. That should be a very good opportunity for us to initiate a buy again. Things are still bullish, and I will say entering into a slightly overbought zone. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, you can find out the support it has taken from the 20 period pretty strong here, and with that as support, it is trying to rise. And yes, it is already delivered record levels here, and it is still getting, or it is still got room for further rise here. If you look at the stock ISIC, this is rising. The MACD is right now convergent here. It is not yet crossed over. And notice this drop has come from a slightly higher levels. So this is possible that this should consider for a retracement, and then again a drop should appear. The RSI is rising. Looking at only buying entry now in DAX is towards 23,050 levels, and if it stays beyond 2350, stay bullish for 23,112, 23,180, and 23,300 levels. Breaking this is difficult, but yes, if it stays above 23,300, stay bullish for 23,500 plus levels very soon. On the downside now, a selling entry is at 22,950, 930 levels, and expected to move all the way towards 22,880, 800. Below 22,800 is where the critical reversal will appear, and then we can see the move which is going to take it all the way towards 22,500 levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to UK. UK100 has delivered a massive move yesterday, moving above 8,900. It is now trying to reverse, but what I am looking at, it is still delivering higher lows, higher highs. Very important for it to now trade below 8,800 levels. Only and only if it trades below 8820, 8,800 levels, you can expect further correction. Right now, I can see it is consolidating its strength or gathering strength at around the zone 8850, 60 to 8820 levels. In between these 30, 40 points, at least you should be very alert here. Here's the stock I at bottom. The MACD RSI both are trading bearish. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, similar observation. The stronger the rise, the stronger the retracement, taking the support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back. But I will only recommend you to buy if you see it staying above 82, 88.50 or 88.60 zone. That should be a greater resistance on the upside. Yes, the indicators have certainly cooled down and it has still got lot much of room for the indices to come to a comfortable zone on the larger time frames. Look at the 3-hour charts, diminishing bearishness, price is taking support from the 20 period, and thus we have to wait for it to trade beyond 80 to 88.50 levels in order to confirm a reversal here. If you look at the stock, I see this is dropped. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, now looking downwards, staying bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See this bullish channel. Support levels far below towards 8887. 80 levels below which certainly more correction has to prevail. And right now, if you look at what has happened, hitting the highs, we have taken a sharp hit here. And right now, it is consolidating in a zone. Yes, the indicators, the MACD specifically has lot much of room on the downside. It is on the verge of a crossover. The RSI has, and when you look at the daily chart, see higher highs, lower lows, and now hitting the resistance, trying to reverse. If you see it is staying below 8800, 8780, consider this as a reversal, and then we can look forward to all the way towards 8720 and 8700 levels. Below this, you can expect a greater correction. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over for the buyers, RSI. Thus, considering this, first, a buying entry today in FTSE 100 is at 87.36, expected to move all the way towards 87.50. And if 87.50 is taken, I think you should not wait. It is going to move towards 87.65, 88.65, and then 8900 levels again. So these are all 8800 levels. And on the downside, the selling entries now are at 8800 levels. Below 8800, we can see 87.80, or rather, I will say 88.15 itself you can sell. Those who want to risk a little, you can sell here at 88.50 and expect 8800, 87.95 first target zone, 87.75, 76 as the second, and below this you can expect 87.50 levels, the next target zone. Below 87.50, it is going to crash hard all the way towards 87.20, 8700 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the year session with more updates. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.